Hi there, and welcome to What's Mark Cooking, a cooking program where I cook food that's not only tasty but also quick and easy to prepare. Most weeks I'm cooking recipes for the very first time. Today I'm going to make pizza. Well, I've cooked a lot of pizzas in my time, but never from the ground up. I'm going to make the pizza base, the pizza sauce, and throw in all my favourite toppings. Anyway, that's enough talk for now. Let's get the pots and pans out and let's get cooking. Let's start with our pizza base. We have 1 cup of flour, a good pinch of salt, and about a teaspoon of sugar. Mix up the dry ingredients, then slowly start to add water. I've got about half a cup here, that's probably more than what we need. Start with about 1/4 of a cup of the water. Add some more. It's always best to put it in slowly, don't want to put in too much. It's all coming together actually. That looks good. Put some flour down first. Now start to work it around. You know when it's ready, it'll feel right in your hands, it won't stick to your fingers. Basically what you're doing is folding it back on itself and pushing, stretching it out. You want to end up with some dough that's about the size of a large orange or a cricket ball or baseball if you're in America, that size. We'll leave this for now. We'll start to prepare our pizza sauce. Preheat the oven to 250 degrees Celsius. And fan number 2. I did a big search for different types of pizza sauces online. This is one that I think is something that I'd like. It may not be to everyone's taste, but this is something I think I would like. What goes into this one is a bit of salt, pepper, oregano, a couple of tomatoes, olive oil, and a couple of anchovies. Not everybody likes anchovies, you can leave them out if you like. Once the water's just about boiled, it's time to put the tomatoes in. I like to put an incision into the tomatoes. That helps with the skin to peel back. Won't take long, around about 5 minutes. The skin's starting to peel back. It'll just about come off without too much effort at all. Take our tomatoes out of the hot water and put it into this bowl. 2 of our tomatoes. We add the pepper, salt, a good dash of oregano, our 2 anchovies, and a dash of oil. I use a stick blender to get it down to a paste. I knew there was something I missed, some garlic. A couple cloves of garlic. After taking the skin off, finely chop them. Now, we add the garlic to the tomato mixture. It all goes into the saucepan and back onto the fire. While that's starting to cook and reduce, we'll get back onto the dough. Bit of flour on our bench again. Start to knead. It's now time to form our dough into a circle, then put it onto our pizza tray. Now, how perfect a circle you make is up to you. It's not important, it doesn't change the taste at all. Next we transfer our dough onto our pizza tray. Our pizza sauce is ready. I use about 2 tablespoons. Next is the cheese. You need about a handful of this. We'll probably cut some more, but that's enough for now. We'll see how we go. I've decided to go for a seafood pizza today. So I've got some smoked salmon, smoked oysters, some prawns, some anchovies, some olives and some mushrooms. Rip off pieces of salmon and just spread it all around evenly around the pizza. Next, some anchovies, smoked oysters, some olives. I've cut up the prawns into little smaller pieces and spread them around the pizza as well. The last one on is the mushrooms. Some people like their pizzas pretty plain. I like mine with a lot of toppings on it. One last step before it goes into the oven, a bit more mozzarella. I've cut myself a few big chunks of mozzarella and just spread them a couple of places around the pizza. Done. It's time now to get the pizza into the oven. Shouldn't take too long. Looks delicious. Well, that does look good, even if I do say so myself. It always comes down to the taste test. I'm really proud of this pizza. I made it all myself. Pizza base, the pizza sauce, and all the toppings. It tastes great. I'm guessing, seeing that you made it through to the end, that you like what you saw. Hit the like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to be reminded of when I upload my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.